going to talk about sides of right triangles and a little bit more about the angles of a right triangle. So you already probably know that we refer to the sides as the opposite, the adjacent, and the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is always the side that is across from the right angle. So right angle here, opposite the right angle, the hypotenuse. Since the right angle is the largest angle in any triangle, the hypotenuse is the largest side in any triangle. Now, before we can talk about the opposite and the adjacent, we have to decide to which angle we are referring. So you have to pick what we call a reference angle. So for this video, I will choose angle A to be my reference angle. I could have just as easily chosen angle B, but if I do not choose a reference angle, then I can't talk about the opposite or the adjacent. It has to be in reference to one of the angles. So if I'm saying opposite, it has to be opposite an angle that I've specified. Sometimes you'll see angles when we talk about trigonometry. Instead of using an unknown angle with a letter from the alphabet you're used to, sometimes we'll use a Greek letter like theta to represent an unknown angle or the reference angle. So you'll start to see theta sometimes. Now, now that we've decided that A is the angle to which we are referring, we can decide which side will be adjacent and opposite of A. So if you look at your angle here, every angle is formed by two sides, the hypotenuse and one of the legs. When this is the angle to which you're referring, the other angle it's formed by is the adjacent side. So this side is adjacent to angle A. It's not adjacent to angle B, but since we're referring to angle A here, we can just call it the adjacent side. That means this side is opposite to angle A. Again, it's not opposite to angle B. It's only opposite when we're talking about referencing angle